Eggy.
Yeah, man, I'm fine. I'm saying, man, I'm only, you know?
Yeah.
Early morning segment, you know? Big on my fans.
Roger.
Yeah, man, make up.
Corrine, sell me some bleach now. I'll go on. Down bleach. No bleach.
Spend the money. 5 pieces on popcorn.
Yeah, bleach. Yes, sir. Alright.
Just go stack it up away.
Oh. Roger. Cross. On the spot.
Yeah, man, I'm fans.
Eggy.
Fine.
I see the original Eggman here in Seaview. Eggman. Eggman.
Talk about 1973.
1973 matter about Eggy.
That's about you know.
Oh. Big up yourself here, Eggy.
Eh?
Big up yourself.
Yeah man, me not fuck you. See the egg man you know? See the egg man you grow egg.
Eggman, you see
That
the,
night.
see the Eggman you know? Them can't hear you now, I'm gonna help you.
No. You can't touch that low like
Alright then.
my line.
But you can't lower than me. Eggman, you see the Eggman you know?
Hey, what am I you with one right there?
Mine. So you say you're
Hey!
you say your voice heavier than mine.
Promote him, man.
Me I promote him, man. Eggman from Front Scheme.
Everybody know everybody know me. I don't know who don't know me.
Big up yourself, Eggy.
See the egg man you know? See the girl egg you know?
Tell them, man, tell the world what type of trade skills you have, man. Say, you know.
Yeah, we build house, shovel down house, tile. Yeah, tattoo. Sound man to play bad sound.
Oh yeah, sound man, tile, carpenter, tiling, mason man.
Yeah, yes man.
Yeah, you hit that and you're a sound man as well
Yeah,
too.
sound man as well too, you know.
Where your sound name?
Matches man, international man.
Jam matches.
Yeah.
In a Seaview, same way.
2020. Come take over the thing, you know. Teach boy them how to play sound.
Yeah, true.
Good life, Jamaica.
Jamaica, good life. This is the Bleach lady.
You know, to me, shy.
Yeah, she's shy, but get the shyness out there. This is the Bleach lady in Seaview. In phase 2.
My name is Corrine. I sell the best bleach in Seaview Gardens.
Why is it?
Very much.
Why is it the best bleach?
I'm gonna water it now. It's the best bleach.
Oh, so it have the strength and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, some bleach, I know, because you know, I'm going to wash up them plate, yeah? Come do some little swim around and fish. So I'm going to wash the place.
Swim around and fish?
Yeah. So I want some bleach. I'm selling some bleach and the good life.
You want $20 bleach?
No, man, I want $50 bleach. How much you sell it for? 50, 20?
60. 60, 50, $20, $30, $40.
Come on.
You just want to come mess with me?
Sure.
You come and stir.
Yeah, put on here.
I'm going to see you later in my clothes.
That good thing. So long now you sell bleach?
Couple years well. But they will keep no deal.
Yeah. Bleach, original Bleach. So you born and grown in Seaview too?
No, I'm come to Seaview in 83.
83?
83, I'm come to Seaview.
At what age then?
Young, about young. When I'm 20s sometime.
I'm 20.
30s. Yeah, I'm come to Seaview in 83. My mother have a house around there, so. My sister, my nephew have a house over 3 now. Have a house of Falcon. My niece have house one house down there, and she have house one down around about.
Oh, so you grew up with your mom?
Yeah, my grandmother.
And your grandmother. Oh, so that means that you always have to clean and cook and everything like that.
Yeah, my grandmother.
Yeah.
Grandmother.
You get a lot of beating growing up?
No?
No. Yeah. Just so come.
Tony, I go.
So are you first daughter that?
Yeah.
Much
I know Jamali already.
I know Jamali already. Just two.
One.
One boy, one girl.
Yeah.
Much grand you get? 2 grand.
Taja and Kiki.
Oh, by your daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah. So where do you feel living? There's a Bleach?
Yeah, bleach myself.
See. Come see how the liquor foundation on your wall.
I badge I do it now. Tomorrow again.
So
When I have the time, every Sunday we do it.
oh, so your bleach business are used and kind of help on this?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
good.
my daughter.
Yeah, that's good.
And Jamali.
Yeah. I want to keep the band same as family though.
Yeah, me, Jamali and Tia. I slap we slap run after in the kitchen and bathroom we slap.
Yeah.
Run this and put on the fence.
Okay. So I don't want to know if you have a bleach business, just expand and the people them come support the thing.
Yeah, man.
Support.
We have support, but we have group of support.
Yeah. So that's bleach alone yourself?
Yeah, bleach and fab and cake soap and polish. White polish, red polish, toilet bowl cleaner. Bleach, fab soap, cake soap, toilet bowl cleaner, toilet paper. I don't have no toilet paper yet, I know. Bath soap yet, but I sell it.
Yeah.
But I sell bleach, cake soap, fab soap, bath soap, toilet paper,
Aye.
red polish, white polish,
Everything.
degreaser, Oxy Massa, rinse, fabulous.
Everything.
Yeah.
And you're there right here in phase 2.
Yeah, in a nitty gritty.
Seaview Gardens.
Yes, right down here.
I like that, it's very ambitious. So you look for expand your business though?
Yeah, more expanding. I get a look shop out there, so.
Oh, you put a shop out there?
No, I never give me a shop.
Oh, you get a shop now?
Yeah, I get the shop out there, so.
Okay. So you have to set it up and everything?
Yeah, I supposed to down put everything on the side. I never give me a shop, man. The barber shop we made up, got a friend that can give me.
Okay, so you just renovate it and just set it
Yeah,
up?
I'm not deal with it.
Okay.
But sell everything like room, everything, mat, everything.
At least it's a start. It's a
That's
start.
what I do with it. Stack it up. Clothespin, washing brush,
Yeah.
bath pan. Tell them look over that shit.
Man. Yeah, you have to go show me it as well too. You have to show them on the good life. So that's how it start. I
say it a start.
Well, I say it a start.
That's how it start.
Right, just want to see you.
Yeah.
I'm like how you develop your little while, you know? And everything. Right, just how it start.
Yeah, rich and family cakes and all these things. I just stock up this morning.
Yeah, just start up this morning.
Yeah,
You can see everything full and loaded.
yeah, that's how it start.
And now you have a shop around here, so now.
Yeah, I can go show you the shop now.
Yeah.
Corrine thing.
Right, you have to support.
Yeah, good life, huh?
So what you get now?
A farm soap and the rings, you know?
Yeah, bath.
Right.
Like so then.
But them know
Bath for a bath, but them orange juice and thing. Weed, ganja, be a little style. Popping on the thing. Well easy. Smoothly.
Sure, the shop now.
Never give me a shit for you. Never. Want to sell everything, I want to sell bath pan, mat, everything. I'll tell the one to have that she bleach everything.
Yeah. You can bleach wholesale.
Yeah, man, I'm selling my palm, them somebody. Some people can buy clothes skin and them something. They don't wash it.
Nice little spot you get, man. Right on the front. Right across from where, Raja?
Like a ribbit. I'm going to buy the lock to put on it.
Say next time the people them say this is not a good life, it's up and running.
Yeah,
Business stack out.
in there good now. Tie out everything already.
Yeah.
Have counter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some more counter on the shelf.
Oh, put some more contact on the shelf.
Yeah. Mop everything there, bad man, mop everything. Clothespin, washing brush.
So you have to get a little sign and put on right at the front out there so.
Yeah man, everything.
Bleach.
Bleach and fab soap and cakes, everything, calculate everything.
And you say it's like a meal as well, you know, so it's good for you.
Yeah.
People are pass.
And clean up pepper.
Yeah, we chop out the whole around here, so. It's a good start still, man, not lie.
You can't hold everything, but that's how I watch it.
Yeah. I saw me a start.
I'm gonna shop everything I did.
So we have
Eagle and thread everything, ribbon, socks, everything I put in there. Sell this one.
yeah, it's a nice little spot.
Yeah.
Lot of things can go in there.
But I look at glass and sell a ribbon.
Yeah.
The machine, I them something there and them something there. You can't have a look at you have to have everything for job, make the people them come.
As I say, it's a nice little spot. Right now, it's a nice little spot. Which spot is there?
And it nah leak.
Nah, leave. And it's firm, you know, see, it look firm and everything.
Yeah, my nephew, give me.
I was a barber before you said no.
Yeah, man, it's a barber shop. It's a barber shop.
See it there. I like it, ambitious still. I like that. And I know so your husband better prepare and ready, you know.
Where is the man that?
I know when the Father God has sent your husband in him, if we're ready for this world, yeah, you know.
Nobody come cheat from me, can't bother. Can't take the lying and the cheating.
So you know you're going to cheat?
Me no know.
See?
Now watch him.
Exactly, so you have to, alright, so from you get him, and you're in there, just have it in your mind, say him a cheat. So at least...
You now watch him, you know what I do.
So you
Now watch him.
So you not for worry then.
So I know that. Can't bother with it. Can't take them stress there. Can't bring your bleach.
Now go and sit down right there, son, and we'll come back.
Can't stress them love. Me can't manage it love.
What you want, Leon?
You grudge me.
I mean, what him say? Where's the Corrine? Him grudge you.
Never.
Yes, Leon had a good life.
Yeah, we're there nice at the morning now. Relax.
Another new
And
year.
easy. I make me some oats porridge in the morning. Bright sunshine.
See there?
Make some beautiful oats porridge.
Oh, you make porridge now?
Yeah, I really need some porridge.
Just what? Normal oats, just oats.
Oats and sweet corn.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, go on.
nice porridge.
So yeah, go on. Are you at it or your son?
Me a do it, man.
Your bad, so?
Yeah, me a the top chef.
And your son?
Oh, sir. Me a the top chef.
So how much you take care in your life?
5 me get.
Oh, not bad.
I don't relax myself now.
No, you're not bad, man.
No, bad, you know. How you take care of them, you know. How much you can take care right now.
Yeah, see
About the bad, you know, what you can take care of, get not go overboard.
Introduce yourself to the world.
Well, I am Leon. Foundation man from Seaview from long time.
Foundation.
Yeah, from Seaview. Blessed Seaview. My little mansion over there, sir.
Oh, yeah, there's some
Yeah, there's some work on it,
Exam.
build them up.
bring
Right
out
up.
expansion.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring out the wall as well. It's a why you say gate this.
Yeah, there's a veranda the gate come right through.
Big drive in here, man. A
Yeah.
big GPR drive in here.
Yeah.
Now, what we think, man. You see me? So people live life in the inner city.
Yes,
you know.
man, what you mean, man?
Now go like
Let's behave, they could boil and behave themselves, you know.
everybody live
I
nice.
make live nice and neat. What money there, you know?
Of course.
I just have to work and put on and like the foreigner them work
Yeah.
and put on them, not just get a lump sum.
Yeah, if you like.
Work and put on and whatever them want, then deal with what them want.
Yeah. Simple as
Yeah.
yeah. Life I feel live.
Yeah, if I have to live.
Good life.
Good life too.
Good life I feel live, of course.
Breeze a blow, we not have on a shirt. Sunshine, we not have on a shirt.
So we have put about 4 room on top. Can you bring it come at the front as
Yeah,
well?
we have put 3 more bottom. We have put 2 top. We can get me expanded, my wife.
Yeah.
And that's 2 top and 3 bottom.
See, yeah. With the kids them and what time you up top.
Yeah.
Look above.
Yeah, man, beautiful Seaview, man. Beautiful Jamaica.
Corrine is here with the bleach now. Original bleach lady.
Trying to burn up your clothes with the board.
That me I tell you.
I miss Michael just come on the bush because she got out the road there. Why too? This is office spending on the truck now. You see the yellow night. You look yellow, you know it's strong.
No dilute.
Natural stuff.
No. So alright then, so Corrine. So you don't know if I lay in the husband.
No, you can't say that. You don't know what God put in store.
Exactly.
What God put in store, no man can pull it up. I tell her all the time, you know, what God put. And she's so nice, man. And she cook chicken back and banana nice, you know, man.
You see there?
Yeah, I love chicken back, you know. And
look how.
brown stew, chicken back and lemonade. She always want a nice man. She can cook him chicken back and him lemonade. That's a fair problem.
And you like it, right?
And she like
you see?
Nice, yeah.
Oh, you know it's not him.
No, and we can make all one over, you know. House to house. You don't have to work for the road. Just over, you don't go over. Nobody don't have to see when we go and come.
Exactly. Look how close. And you see, Leon like the banana and chicken back.
And cook some nice boiled banana, some brown stew chicken back, or curry chicken back. Nice.
Because and every man like chicken back thing, you know, least a fine man.
Because
like chicken back.
I love chicken back.
Cut up my mouth.
You know if you eat it, make it properly cooked.
Yeah, there's too much bone.
Yeah, chicken back nice than the chicken sometimes.
I think them love the bone.
Water boil up.
I think them love the bone.
Leon will check him sweet corn porridge. Leon with him bowl of porridge. Sweet corn and oats.
Yeah.
I want to see this in the good life.
Sweet corn. Wow, that's nice.
See it there.
No, you do it. What is no?
No,
Yes,
mama, I want to just eat something.
Are you the judge?
Complete.
Are you the judge?
Yes, good.
Yeah?
Corn in it.
But just eat.
Some
I look good still, no, Leon.
Of course, nice.
Mama,
The
Leon
sweet
cook
corn.
sweet corn and oats porridge.
You see him damn you know she got so nasty.
Wait, them
Put it on
nice.
blanch, you want some?
No. Let me tell you we're nice.
You don't look bad,
The
Mama.
caramel and they put the sweet corn in there. I do it all the time.
You don't look bad, though.
With what?
Nice
man.
with
Bad
all
man.
caramel too.
Can't try it.
See, they're not a good life.
Yeah, it's a Leon
The fries
special.
look delicious too.
It's a Leon special, not a good life.
Lasco. No
Oh,
milk,
that's when it
Lasco.
tastes so sweet. Yes, I think milk in there.
Where is flavor, Lasco?
Vanilla lasco. Come on.
Yes, well, man.
It's white like a tin milk in
It
there.
look like a American.
Like a Dominican. The oats Dominican.
Yeah, work to get $100 from me.
You know. I first to see that one there, so it'll work.
Great chef.
And a great chef, it'll work. You see, Korean, you can't lose out. A good husband is.
Yeah. You mean?
One, yeah.
A good
When I
husband.
say I cook for you.
Exactly.
Well, man, with this sweet corn, you know, and oats, you know, fully up, you know. Corn, you know, fully up.
My husband come now, hold on, I forgot scatter away and run away.
So all you know it's not Leon. You see you have a good chef. Him always a
But you know it's
cook.
not Leon.
It's not Julian.
That's what God tell you.
Me and your friend.
That's why it can be.
Yeah. Can we know each other?
Yeah.
But I'll shut up your mouth. I will know now.
Oh, you know, you keep on tell life and God.
You can't tell like you're eating it.
Eh? Oh, you know, it was a him God send. Look how close him is.
But you see somebody in the church?
They don't want me more younger than me.
You see somebody in the church? You don't
Me
love that
too
about
fat
for me?
Julian.
No, me talk for myself.
Alright, yeah. And what you say for yourself, Leon? You're
It's the
type.
right size. Right size.
You follow me, you follow me.
Now, Leon a big chef. They can't go wrong because a man always a cook. So if you don't cook, he will
He
cook.
always a cook.
You see me? So when you are wash, he will cook.
Me a cook.
When you say bleach, he will cook. You can't lose one Korean.
Yeah, lose curry.
But after you do that,
So you say that the good life people.
Yeah, we are tell them say bless up because Jamaica the best place. I love place around the world.
Jamaica nice all the time. You just
All the
want,
time.
You just want to have your money. If you don't have
You
the
want
money,
to come visit. If I want 2 weeks and get the real American and oats porridge.
if you don't have
you
your
go-
money, you can plan for your little trip down on the north coast. You can just plan and save up for that. And say, well, you're going to do that. And book a little 3 days in a hotel and enjoy
But them don't want that. Them want the life experience in the inner
They
city.
want the good life.
The good life them want.
in the inner city.
Yeah, Seaview.
Because the government have fixed up downtown, only can come downtown, Port Royal, Seaview, we are nice up Seaview.
Of course. So them can't
You
come and
can come
see
in,
you.
come enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man, they
Not
can't
from the
come
wood for
and
money.
enjoy it, so you
Yeah.
have family. They
And it's
can't
even
just-
nicer. Every them place a party right through,
Right
fun
through,
right
party.
through, cook right through, vibes right through.
Yeah, man, they cook
So
and
them
eat and
can
enjoy
come
themselves.
through.
Yeah. Make nobody tell no lie about no gunshot or fire and must come and see you
Gunshot
and must
fire
come
everywhere.
and something there. Don't try on yourself.
Yeah, come
Gunshot fire
see.
everywhere.
Yeah, come see for yourself.
Them say gunshot fire everywhere, Leon.
She say two on the match, you know. Let me tell her, look how you get on. You know?
So me bring out my price and me give her something to drink and all
Yeah,
them way.
right away. She never think twice.
From here, some moon.
And it's a better if it's a stranger bring come and give you, wouldn't take
Nah,
it.
take it.
You see me?
Egg bueno.
And
No,
everybody,
Leon.
here, and everybody here eat from and you eat from Leon. You're not in this man.
Bueno.
Leon Shaggy are fighting about what?
No, she not gonna fight, you know, just the time, you know, just the time.
It's the time.
Routine.
You're not a while out.
No, they're right behind me there.
Yeah.
Just the time.
Cause it's a door away, Corrine. One door away. One knock. Knock a knock.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.